Hello viewers, my name is Srikar from the channel of Srikar Works. So today I will be telling you how you can go ahead and create your own website without paying money, without even buying anything. It's completely for free. But this process works only on computers or PCs. So or desktop. So let's get started. For this process, we will be using two of Google's Google applications. You don't have to install anything. There is a website for it. So the things that we will be using are Google Sites and Google Blogspot, mostly known as Blogspot itself. So let's start with Google. Let's start with Google Sites. To go to this website, you have to type in sites.google.com and you will be redirected to this page right here. If you click on the plus down below and click on the pen or pencil, you will be again redirected to this spot here. This is your Untitled site. Let me close my video so you can see properly. Right, so this is where you will be creating your website. So here you just have to go ahead and enter your title page and what you want its name to be. So for my thing, I like to spread awareness of things that are good for people. So I'm going to just type in ideas for life. There we go. And you can, by selecting these two blue dots, you can move the length and width of your the title. Now here up enter site name. You can go ahead and enter the name of your site. My site name is going to be Bright Ideas. There we go. Now here you're basically set. You can just go and start publishing, but we're actually not done yet. So here let's get into more of the customization before we start into the working part. So here, as you can see, we have add logo, change image, and header type. So if you click on the change image, you here will have upload or select image. What upload means is that selecting a photo from your device gallery. But what select means is that taking one directly from the internet without downloading it. I'm just going to take one from the internet without downloading it at all. Here they already gave you some things from their gallery, but I'm just going to search my very own. Let's just type in ideas because it's related to our blog / website. And this looks nice, so let's select it. And it's here. So here there is an option called adjust for readability. If you hit it, it will go very, very bright. But if you turn it on, it will go really, really light and really dull, so it allows the viewers / readers to read what is given nice. As you can see, suppose you want to see more of the bold part, there is an option here called enter image. If you press that, there are options here. You can go to top, go to middle, go to the side, go to this side, go to the bottom right side, go to this side, whatever. But the center is the best part anyway. So yeah. And now, okay, you have customized some of this, and now you can add your logo by going to this top lane here and clicking on add the logo. This menu will pop up. So here on the logo here, you can upload it or select it. Here logos, you will all if I'm right, you will already make logos. So if you already have a logo that you want, you can just click on the upload. I already have a logo that I have, so I'll click on the upload. And I created my logo using Canva. Link to Canva will be in the description box down below. Click on the upload. And this is the Srikar logo. It is my YouTube channel logo, if you did not know. You can even select the colors to use for the theme. That is what Canva allows. You can change some of the themes on the picture. That is why I mostly use Canva for my design. Anyway, and after you see your logo pop up here, click on the X and yep, you got your logo ready, you got your name ready, you got your picture ready, and yeah, now let's move on to more of the working part. So basically I'll tell you about the tabs down here. There is an Insert tab, Pages tab, and Themes tab. Let's start from the back, the themes. So we're currently using in the Themes tab, we're currently using the Simple. You can select Aristotle to change that, Diplomat to change it, and you can use many other things to change like that. This looks nice. You can try Vision and Level and other things. I'd say Ideas for Life suits it a lot for this one. So yeah, I'm gonna use Ideas for Life for this one. Now coming to the pages. Not like, suppose this is the introduction page, you can click on the plus page and create a new page for your readers / viewers to read it. Now I'll tell more about the pages later on. Let's come into the insert where the most part begins. Let's take this as maybe our introduction page, or maybe straight up moving into the page. There are two options here, so let's start with straight up moving into the page. There are layouts here that you can use, and there are also many options like giving in a chart, giving in a form, adding a sheet, adding slides, adding documents, adding maps, adding calendars, adding YouTubes, adding placeholders, etc, etc, etc. So those I will not be telling you in this video. Those I will be telling you in the later on video, in other videos. So basically, we are using layouts for this one. You can choose 2 photos, 2 text boxes, 3 photos only, 2 photos, 2 text boxes, side to side, 4 photos, some text, and things like that. But this is the default and original one. You select that, and this will be added here. Let's add the text. Suppose it's about, let's say, why swimming is good for you. Let's just type in, if you're gonna do that, let's type in the heading, swimming. And there you go. You want to add about swimming just like normal. You can change the text size, the open size. You can change your text font. You can underline some things. You can bold them things, and you can insert a link. Basically, let's just go type swim in here. So swimming is good for you, and it helps you increase your physical strength. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry there. I thought my camera was broken. Anyway, here this place is for images. If you click on it, you can upload it, select image, or from Drive. Uploading it is from your gallery. Selecting image is from the Google Images. From Drive means that they're gonna upload it from your Drive. Or you can add an event, you can add a place, or you can add a YouTube video. But since it's about swimming, let's just add a picture from Google. Let's go to Google image search and search what we want. We want about swimming, so we can just go ahead and type in swimming. Here you can find many pictures about swimming. So let's just take one and let's stick with it. And it's gonna load, and it's here. So here, after you're done, So now you can just add more things, but if you want to add more pages, and if you are thinking this is just your normal introduction page, you can go ahead and delete this if you want to, and it will be back to normal. But if you're working with more pages in your website, you can just go up here and select text box. So make this the introduction. Let's type in introduction, and type in whatever you like. Type in about yourself. Hello, my name is Null. Hello, my name is Null. This blog is to give ideas to people. And yeah, whatever, and that's your introduction is done. Now you want a fresh page, you will go to the Pages tab and click on the plus. You can insert new menu section, new link, or new page. Let's just type in a new page. And here you can just go and enter the name of what the page is going to be. Let's say ideas, and click, and it's in ideas. You can change the picture or leave it. I'll just leave it. Now you can go add this thing again. Here, swimming, ECC, DC, whatever. Swimming, ECC, and just select and a Google search image. Yeah, so yeah, we entered that, and yeah, so now you're like, yeah, I'm done with my blog. I want to publish it and show it to the internet. Oh yeah, you can do it. So by clicking on the publish up here, you can say this menu will pop up. You want to type in the web address of what you want it to be. Let's say writeideas.com. Writeideas.com. But the thing is that you can't use .com at the end, because this is going to be a Google search engine sponsored link, so you can't use .com since Google will already add .com at the end. Let's say Bright Ideas -234, and Google says that it's available, or you can just add anything you want. If you click on the custom domain, you can get your very short links like .com and all. I'll tell you about that in a minute. You see, https sites.google.com/view/bright-ideas/-234. You want to remember that so that when you want to see your website, you can type the whole thing in to remember. But if you want it to be shorter, here we come to custom domain. You can buy a custom domain and make your links smaller. Now, coming to the other part, who can view my site? So literally anyone who types in the link can view your site. But if you're like, no, I don't want to, you can click on the manage and this will come in. You can share it to only your friends or teachers, and no one else can view it. But I would like everyone to view my Bright Ideas site. And yeah, if you click on Google's public search engine to not display my site, even if you type in the link, it will not come. It is just for only linked users. But like, no, I want public search engines to view my site. You will not be putting that option in. Now click on the publish, and it will load partially. And then here you can see your site has been published successfully. That means that your site has been posted publicly and it is published. If you want to view it, you just have to type in the ID that I told you to remember. https://site.google.com/view/ you said that you want to view your tab, which you named it is Bright Ideas dash 234, and your website is right here. There you go. You made this. You have your logo with the name. You have your you have your heading. You have the pages like ideas and the introduction. If you want to edit it, you can just click on this to edit the page. But if you forget this and you want to like find it again, you can just go to sites.google.com, and you can see your blog you can see your blog right here to find to find your blog. If you want to delete your blog, you can just click on the three buttons here and click on remove, and it will move it to trash. So now if you search anyway, it will not show you where it is. Now coming to Blogspot. Blogspot is similar to Google site, but it's not Google sites. It is a much better upgraded version for opinions only. Like, it's not to share your feelings or start an online store. It's just to share your opinions and stuff. So if you want to have opinions on something and you want to share it, you can just go to Blogspot. You can search Blogspot, and this will come in blogger.com. By clicking on this will show up my opinions, whatever. Okay, I'm sorry, that's not it. But you will not see all this. You basically, when you come in, it will ask you to sign in, and this will show up. Choose a name for your blog. So you can just add in the name for your blog. Let's call it Srikar Works Blog, and click on next. And here you can directly into the address of what you want your blog to be. Let's say Srikar Works Blog. Srikar Works. It's checking, and it says srikarworks.blogspot.com. Here it says the blog address is available. If it says the blog address is not available, you have to type it again to find a new one. And if you want to re-enter the name of your blog, you can click on the previous and you can go there. But I'm good with this, so you can click on the save, and it's going to process. And it says blog created. You have no new posts. You can check on your stats here, how you're doing, how much follows, how many posts you have, how many comments. You can check on your comments. You can check on your earnings. You can check on your pages. You can check on your layout, etc., etc., etc. So talking about posts, here is the part where you have to tell people about your opinions here. You can click on a new post, and you can just go ahead and type in the name of your blog. So I would say the name of my blog is the title of what your note is going to be. You can just go ahead and type that in. So the title of my blog is going to be my opinions on movies. And then you can just go ahead and type in whatever you want about movies. Movies are great, etc., etc., whatever you would like to type in. You can change the font, or you can change the font of your text here. You can boldify, italic it, underline it, or even change the text color of it here. Now you type something. Movies are great, etc., etc., and you're done. You can just go ahead and click on the publish here, and this will be published to your blog. If you click on confirm, it is in your blog. So now if you want to view it, you just have to go here and type in your address, what you added. So I added sweetworks.blogspot.com. blogspot.com. Voila, your blog is here. And that's how you create your blog on a blog or a website using Google Sites or Google Blogspot. Thank you for